Hello and welcome to Plus Spark. Since my last video, I've been taking the metal detector into the field behind me and seeing what I can find. I have uncovered a few things. I'll be showing you those later. Maybe don't get your hopes up, it's mainly rusty old nails. But yeah, today I'm going to start off with a few lessons that I've learned. The first is that when this metal detector beeps gold, it's not always gold. So far it hasn't been gold at all. But yeah, so I need to stop getting my hopes up every time I hear a high-pitched ping. And the second thing is the importance of having one of these. It's called a pointer, and what you do is once you've dug your hole, you can use this to locate where the metal is, either within the hole or in the debris that you've removed. So yeah, really handy thing to have. And the third thing, I'm almost hesitant to say because it makes me look very foolish. If you'd seen my last video, there was me digging a hole, and then I'd get the metal detector and we'd go ping again, and I keep digging all the way to Australia. And yeah, there was a reason for that, which I figured out when I got to another hole. So I did the same thing here. I started digging a hole, put the metal detector over it, still kept going ping. So I kept digging and digging and digging until it finally hit me. My own foolishness. I thought that a metal detector just went down, but it actually picks up metal surrounding it. And in the gabion here, there's quite a bit of metal. It just seems so obvious now, but live and learn. And in the hole over on the other side that featured in my last video, that was right next to a fence. So now I know I'm not going to do the same thing again. With that in mind, I'm going to head to a new area today. So I'm going to go upstream and just do a little bit of detecting next to the stream itself in case anything's washed down historically over the years and been buried there. So yeah, let's see. Hello, hello, hello. I didn't bring you any food, I'm sorry. I'm going metal detecting. Do you want to come? Bye-bye. Well, I got a slightly higher ping here, so yeah, let's give it a go. A little bit of glass for you there. Okay, I'm going to keep digging here, okay? They're very sweet. Okay, right. Wish me luck. Nope, I'm giving up on this hole. I'm going to put the soil and the clods back and try my luck elsewhere. I keep doing that, forgetting to turn the thing on. It's probably why I'm not finding much. Hoping down by the river edge here there might be a little something. That sounds promising. Okay. Something there that looks like a bit of pottery, so I'll show you that. Oh, pottery. It's an old tin can. I think it's just a bit of rusty metal. Oh well, I'll give it a wash and see if anything appears. Oh, it's a coin. Right. Very excited. Okay, you can just see it poking out in the corner there. So let's have a look. We're 2p. It's a key. That's pretty cool. It's a modern key, so it's not going to be worth anything at all. But I'm just really pleased I found something. I'm going to call it a day now and head back inside and show you all the other treasures I found. So much for bringing me luck. Oh well. See you next time. I've got all my treasures here. And yeah, let's see. I do have this very cool nail. Most of them are nails, by the way. Or some kind of bolt type thing. And actually, for all the metal detecting efforts, this was just lying on the ground. Yeah, so that's quite cool. Oh, I need to show you the things we got today. So the key, I gave that a little clean, and it's come up a funny kind of pink colour. And then the unusual piece of iron that we didn't know what it is a chunk of iron. But I'm going to pretend that it is a piece of some ancient Iron Age sword, and I'm going to treasure it. So, more nails. I like this one. It's got quite a big bit on the top, like a little mushroom there. That's quite cool. Okay, I'm going to put all the nails down here. Nail. Oh, Milo's off. Nail. Nail. Okay, I got really excited when I dug this up because I thought I'd found a buckle. But I'm pretty sure it's just from one of the harness that you get when you are, what's it called, strimming. And I think it's just fallen off of that. Oh well. Now before I show you this, I've made a little video of the discovery. Well, I've been doing a bit of metal detecting and I have just found my first coin. And it is a 1p piece. Not quite the gold sovereign I was hoping for, but I'll keep looking. So yes, let's say a lucky penny. I'll pop that down there. Nail, another nail. Okay, now this here, this is it's a bit unusual because it's got this funny lump at one end, and then it's got a hook at the other end, and then when I found it, the
there's this little bit that connects to the hook. So I have no idea what that is, but I rather like it. I'm going to keep that. And then the final thing that the metal detector uncovered is this little rivet. It might be from a saddle. This is a agricultural area, but yeah, it's quite cool. Might be off a little bit of furniture that got burned or something, but yeah, I quite like it. The last things I have in my little pot here were things that I just found while digging, and which are pottery mainly, although there's this nice little bit of quartz. But yeah, the rest of the little shards of pot, blue and white one there, little blue, black, white striped one there, and then just a little brown bit. But I do like this little bit. The inside bit has been glazed rather than the outside. You can see the slight curve on it, which suggests it might have been used for holding some kind of liquid. And I don't know, it feels quite old, so I like that. And that's it. Not much gold there, but I still think they're treasures. So keep tuned to the channel. Oh, this is where I normally say, please subscribe. Today I'm going to say, please don't subscribe. This is not a treasure hunting channel. It's all about gardening. So if you subscribe, you're going to be bombarded with videos of me waffling on about my tulips being the wrong colour. So if you do like gardening though, then please feel free to subscribe. Okay, that's it for today. Bye for now.